Hi guys, excuse for the wind. It's really windy back here. So it's been a while since I did any update on the koi pond. So here it is. Here's my koi pond. Over there's my greenhouse. I'll do a separate recording for the greenhouse, but let's look at the pond, okay? Here are my koi. Happy and always hungry. I mean, always hungry. They actually will chase you down. I just fed them, so they don't feel like they need to eat no more. But here are my skimmer. One skimmer, two skimmer, and the water is crystal clear. You can see all the way down to the bottom of the pond. It's about 5 feet deep. I lost a lot of koi last winter due to the severe snowstorms. It got down to like -16, so it was really rough. I lost most of the big koi, like the arm length one. All the small koi they survived, of course, but all the big one died. Let's do a walk around the koi pond. Here are my falls. So I have about 5 total, 2 on each side, the small one and then one big one. This is the back. This is looking back at the koi pond. It's very dirty in my backyard right now. I'm still working on a few things, so it's dirty, but it's okay. My wife complains all the time. So look at the back, okay? Here's the filtration system. This whole thing that you've seen right here is a filtration system. So that's why I can stock so much koi in a small pond, because the filtration system is a really big filtration system, so it'll do a lot of work. That's why you see the water so clear in the koi. You can see them swimming around. They are happy. So this is my aquaponic system using the koi pond water. So I have 2 skimmers and I have 1 sub pump. The skimmers will run to one side, will run to here, and one side will run to here, and then it's split into 2. 2-inch pipe go down to here, another 2-inch pipe will go to here, and then this here is all the way down to all the way down right here. So it forced the water to flow all the way down, and then it will have to rise up. So when it rises up, though, the caps will actually hold back all the fish waste, if there is any, because this is from the skimmer. And this is the same thing too. It runs here. And the reason I do this is because when it's pushed in, it's sucked in the air, and then actually, if I push down, you can see the air bubble. See that? That's air bubbled from this here, and it's really cool. And the same thing from here. Push in here, and it's sucking the air from here, and it mixed with the water to provide oxygen for the pond. And then it's split to here. And here you can see that's where I produce a lot of oxygen here too. So the reason I make this wrap, because it's sucking the air and it mixes in, and then that's how it is. I got 2 13 watts UV lights, so 2 13 watts, and that's all I'm using, 2 13 watts. And my pond is gets sunlight all day. Yeah, so. Without this and without the filtration system, man, it'll be as green. The water will be as green as it can get. But with the filtration system, it's crystal clear. And then I have a third pump, is all the way down at the lowest point of the pond. What it does, it pumps to here. See this hose here? It pump all the way to here. Let me take this out, okay? So here is my sift filter, and it's really simple to make this. No screw whatsoever, nothing at all. Just get a sieve filter. This is pipe, I think 3/4 inch pipe cut in half, and you have your own clipper. So it's all clipped into it. So when it runs, this water is actually from the bottom of the pond. It run here, go through the sieve, and it suck out all, it filter out all the dirt and the fish poop and the fish waste. And then once in a while, I'll take this, I scoop it out, and then I put it to my plants. So 2 for one thing. From here though, it's split into 3 valve here, 3 pipe here, and 3 pipes here. It's also have a pipe here too. So this pipe, whenever there's a lot of this waste, it will go down here. It will fall into here, this weir here, and then this will run all the way to that tank right there. And that tank uses the same method. That big old 6-inch pipe right there run all the way down to the tank, and then you have caps there, so it has to float. It has to rise up and hold back the waste, and then it run back into the pond. So with this way, I don't have to clean the sieve filter quite often. Maybe once in a while, because it filters by itself for you. So then I'll show you. Show you guys. I'll do that to block the sun. So then one of the 3 pipes from here go down to there. Over there, I used to have gravels, but I decided just to leave it like that. So if I do want to have, if I have small koi, I can put it there to raise them by themselves. I do have a lot of small koi too. And then all this, and then this pipe here, there's 2 pipe here, actually 3 pipes. These 2 pipes will lead into my aquaponic system. So all these are gravels. That's an example here. And then from then, it's the pipe here, and the water flow here. Then it run back into the pond. So everything run back into the pond. This 2 pumps here will go into the big fall. And then if you see, remember there's a 2 small fall on each side. And this all here will run back into that fall. So see that? So everything will run through the system. And like I said, from the sieve filter, all the waste will run to here. And then it will collect all the fish waste here. Once in a while, I turn the valve, and then I connect the pipes to here, and then this is all the fish waste water. That's where I use it to feed my my plant. So nothing will go to waste here. So all of this will lead back into the waterfall. The waterfall is right here. These are the 2 small ones. So that is a small walkthrough of my koi pond. It's been a while since I posted anything, so sorry guys. It's been really busy because I was busy doing this. This is my greenhouse, and inside it have all the tropical plants that I grow, and then it also have all this tank here where I used to raise my small koi. So here are my small koi. So that will be a different recording, and then I'll post it up. But here's the overview of my koi pond. Let me turn around. And this is what I look from inside my house, and when I look out, this is what I see. So if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you guys.